Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to USNMix YouTube channel. Today's topic is today we'll learn about use of shift keys. So today we'll know about shift keys, how to use shift keys and what is one of the magic of shift keys. If you already read the title of this video, then you can already know about about today's topics, about the use of these shift keys and one of the magic of shift keys. But before start, I want to say if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics mainly discussed in this channel. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments, and also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end, otherwise you do not get the full information and miss many useful information in this topic. Okay friend, let's start. Let's go to the full report. Today we will know about the shift keys. Just you know that the one of the shift keys I just press shift keys 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. We have seen this one pop-up window come in this desktop screen. So and it is written there, do you want to turn on sticky keys? So if you press 5 times shift keys, then one pop-up window come in the screen, in the Windows screen and desktop screen in your computer, and you have seen this one. This is written here, do you want to turn on sticky keys? So what about the sticky keys? Today we will know about the sticky keys. Sticky keys with the help of shift button. So if you press 5 times, then in one sticky keys come, there is sticky keys you can on or off this sticky keys. So what about the sticky keys? Sticky keys lets you use the shift, control, alt or Windows logo keys by pressing one key at a time. The keyboard shortcuts to turn on sticky keys is to press the shift key 5 times. So I just press 5 times. So this pop-up window come. I just move it away and just I have write this paragraph for you understand about the sticky keys better and the use of these shift keys. So when you press 5 times shift button, then this sticky keys pop-up window come. And before going to the detail about these sticky keys, I just read this paragraph for your better understanding. So first, how to turn off sticky keys, or first this is the, if I click on this yes button, then it automatically working in my computer. Sticky keys is already inserted in my computer. But before that, I will know about this detail about this sticky keys. How to turn off or on the sticky keys? The sticky keys feature was first introduced back in Windows 95, and we are going to show you to how to turn it on or off. Sticky keys is a feature that allows the user to complete in combination keyboard commands without having to press several keys at once. So when we just combination of keyboard commands without having this press several keys at once, so you do not need to press 2 buttons at a time. When the feature is enabled, it allows you to issue keyboard commands by pressing the buttons one after another. So you do not need to press the 2 buttons at a time. If you have any problem in your hand or if you have any problem in your finger, then you can use these sticky keys. So rather than the same time, for example, if you wanted to use this copy function, which is accessed by pressing this control and C keys at the same time, sticky keys will allow you to activate this command by pressing control and then pressing C after. This feature was introduced for those looking to avoid RSI, repetitive strain injury, whose problem is in your hand or anywhere in this finger. So then they can use these sticky keys, or those who have physical disability. Now it does, however, cause some problems for those who makes a heavy use of the shift keys, such as gamers, or that can be activate the features unintentionally. So if you are game lover, if you are playing games in your computer, then it is not use of these shift keys. But whatever, if your hand or if your finger is not able to working condition, then it is very useful for you. It does, however, cause some problems for you who make heavy use of these shift keys. How to turn sticky keys on or off? If you wish to turn the sticky keys feature on or off, simply press the shift keys 5 times in the row. This will result in the following windows appearing. Select yes, select, if it is select, this pop-up window come and select yes 5 times, the result is the following appearing. Select yes or no depending on your preference. So if I click on this yes, then sticky key is working in my computer, or if you know, then I do not, I just not want to use these sticky keys. But if you sticky keys activate message keeps popping up message, if you activate message keeps popping up because you are using these shift keys repeatedly. For another task you can disable its keywords or but by the doing the following. Type easy to access center into Windows search tool at the bottom left and open it up to make the keyboard easier to use. Click on set up sticky keys. Untick the box that reads turn sticky keys. Shift is pressed 5 times. Make sure that you make look of this favorite Windows 10 tips and tricks, and you also use this how to Microsoft Word and Excel for free. So this is the use of this. This is you can know now about this sticky keys. Now I will just I will show you how can you uses of these sticky keys. I just click 5 times, I just press 5 times the shift keys, then this pop-up window come and it says that do you want to turn on sticky keys. Sticky keys lets you use the shift, control, alt or Windows logo keys by pressing one key at a time. The keyboard shortcut is to turn sticky keys is on the press the shift keys by 5 times. So I just click 5 times shift keys from my keyboard and this pop-up window come. I just click on yes. Then this sticky keys activate in my computer. Now you have seen this. If now just I have seen, I just on this on screen keyboard. So I just use it this keyboard. So this is the keyboard of your computer. Now I just press control one time and A. This means this, you just see this, the paragraph is selected. Control plus A means it's totally selected, select area, the total paragraph is selected. Then control C means copy. So control C means copy, and control P means control V means the press, and control X. So you can use this from there. Now this is the use of this key 5 times and yes, then you can just we have seen this the keyboard once, sorry, this for this on screen keyboard. Then I just want to cut this, control X, control A first, select this area, control A. Okay, this is the control A position. Now all the paragraph is selected. Now I just cut this. So this is the cut position. So again I want to paste. So this is the use of this sticky keys. We do not need to press control and A. Control and X means cut, control and V means paste, control A is select. So at a time I just click on control and press the other button. So you need to press one button at a time. You don't need to button at the same time. If you can use alt button, you can use this Windows button. So this is this 3 or 4 buttons, shift, control, Windows logo and alt. These 4 buttons works for these sticky keys. So now you can know about the sticky keys. I think you will know about these sticky keys and how to activate in your computer, and you will like this sticky keys, about these sticky keys. And now if your computer is activated this sticky keys, now you can, if you use this shift keys again and again, heavy use of shift keys, then it is not good for to turn on sticky keys on your computer, then how you know that's how to turn off sticky keys. You just this is the this turn off. You cannot do this from your on-screen keyboard. I just show you this. If you just click on Shift and Control at a time, and your sticky keys inactivate from your computer. So that is for today. I will just again tell you the detail about this shift keys and the sticky keys. So when you press 5 times sticky keys, 5 times shift keys, then one pop-up window come, and if you click on yes, then sticky keys activate in your computer, and then it is not required this shift, control, windows, alt button again and again at a time. You just click on one control and that other button to do your work. Cut, select, paste and copy. For C, control plus C copy, control plus X is cut, and control V is the paste, and control A means select this paragraph. Or any other use of this Windows, Alt and Shifts button, you can press only once for this to activate, to work on sticky keys. And if you want to turn off these sticky keys or inactivate from this computer, then you just click on Shift and Control from your computer keyboard, then it is inactivate from your computer. So that is it about our video today, and I think you will enjoy this video very much. And I just inactivate my computer from Control and Shift. So this sound is come from your computer screen, and it is inactivate from my computer. Again, if I want to sticky keys activate from in this computer, then I just press on this 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5, then this pop-up come, and if I want to activate from the sticky keys, then I just click or yes, but now I not want to activate, so just no. So that's it about the video, and hope you will enjoy this video. After watching this video, you know about detail about this 5 shift keys and sticky keys. So thanks for watching this video. If you like our video and our channel, then you can like, share, subscribe our USNMix YouTube channel. And if you have any information regarding this video or want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of USNMix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you.